Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup is going to be inspired by Gigi Hadid, but using only drugstore products. You guys always request and ask me to do makeup using only drugstore stuff. I know I should do it more, but I received, what gave me the idea to do it, was that I received this whole makeup kit that Gigi did with Maybelline. It comes with tons of makeup and two makeup looks. One is the West Coast look and the other one is the East Coast. So that gave me the idea to do this video for you guys, but it's not a sponsored video. I will be using other products besides Maybelline, but I will be using most of the products that comes in this kit, which is now on sale, I believe. And while I'm doing the makeup, I will also give you first impressions on these because I haven't tried them before. Yeah, this is the finished look. I chose the West Coast warm tones. So West Coast comes with warm and cool tones, and East Coast as well. So I chose West Coast colors, which is kind of this look. Do we look similar? Do we look like twins? I hope. Anyways, this is what I got inspired on. It's super beautiful. It's a really gorgeous look, very sexy, but very warm at the same time. And it's a great like warm look to warm up, you know, those cold winter days. And also if you're going on vacation, you can definitely wear this a lot to a tropical place. So yeah, I really hope you guys like the video. If you want more, and there is the East Coast look too, if you want me to recreate that as well, I can. So yeah, let me know and let's get started. Alright, so I did this eye. We're gonna do everything else together. For foundation, I'm actually gonna use the Milani one, which is one of my favorites from Drugstore. And I'm gonna mix that with the liquid strobe illuminator from the Gigi's Maybelline kit. Okay, so to give me a glow. Apply foundation. And then the strobing cream on the areas that I want a highlight. There, a little here. I'm gonna take a Sigma Kabuki. The brush is not Drugstore, but and just blend, blend, blend. A little down to my neck. Alright, this is a really good foundation. I love mixing this strobing cream. At the end, we can use this as a highlight as well on top. But here it just give us a natural highlight. So this strobing cream, I'll show a swatch, but it's very bronzy. And it's the gold one, okay? I'm gonna let my foundation set a bit and I'm gonna move on to eyes and then we'll do concealer. For the eyes, I'm going to use the West Coast eyeshadow palette, the warm one, which has corals, golds, and a little brown here. A bit rosy too. That's what she used on her eye on this photo. Do we look alike? I wish. First step I'm going to do is highlight under my brow with that highlighting shadow. Second, I'm going to take this corally matte shadow and just apply it all over my eyelid pretty much using a blending brush. And then I'm gonna mix a little bit of the shimmery one with the same brush, but more on the inner corner. Now with the shader brush, I'm gonna take this shadow right here, it's more rosy, and apply it on my under eye. Now I'm gonna go in with a dark brown and now a flat definer brush and just define my lash root a little bit with it like she's wearing. And I'm also gonna do that on my top lashes. Come back down here, blend again. And the kit from Maybelline also comes with a white eyeliner, so we're gonna apply that on my waterline. Last but not least, I'm gonna take the gold right here and apply it on the inner corner. Just for Okay, now I'm gonna take the mascara that came in the kit. Gigi Hadid Lash Sensational Mascara. This brush, and you guys, I haven't tried any of these products. This is the first time I'm trying in camera with you guys. So the shadows, they are good, but they're not super like pigmented, but they're nice. I like the shades of it. And this mascara I really liked. I used it on my right eye. And then what they did on her makeup was also a little bit on the bottom lash root. Now I'm gonna complete with my Ardell 109 false lashes. They're more natural. I am going to apply it on this side. You can go without false lashes, but she's wearing it, I can tell, and I'm gonna put it too, and it's gonna look beautiful with your orange lip. Okay, so I'm gonna put them with my dual glue, and I'll be right back. Last touch is the L'Oreal Liner Intense right here on the lash root. And that's it for the eyes. Now we're gonna finish the skin together. So my dilemma right now is that I cannot find my Maybelline. I think my mom took it because she loves it, and I had a brand new one, but I'm kidding. I let her borrow it, and I think she took it with her. My Maybelline with a little sponge, what's the name? Concealer. I can't find it. And the other ones that I have drugstore here at my house are not my right shade, so I'm gonna use one that's not drugstore. It's the Kylie Jenner one that she just launched, and I think you guys would like to see this because it's brand new. I never wore it, and I'm gonna give you guys my first impression on it too. There's a bunch of shades, which is great. I took the shade Oak. I don't think it's gonna be my color. I think Maple probably. So I'm gonna apply it right here. The consistency is like liquidy but creamy. Let's see how it is on. I'm gonna take my sponge and just dab. I can already tell that it's like a bit heavy, like full coverage. I think I should have put less product. A little goes a long way because it's thicker than my usual concealers, like my NARS one, Tarte. But it covers, but definitely use less product than I just did right now. So I'll highlight this whole area. Guys, I don't know how I feel about this concealer yet. Maybe I used a lot of products, but I think it's very heavy. I wish it was a bit lighter on the skin, but next time I use it, I'm gonna put less. Okay, I'm not gonna apply powder, so I am gonna move on to contour. And they also sent this the Jet Setter palette, which comes, it's like perfect for you to bring with you on your travels. It has contour, blush, highlight, and 4 shadows, neutral shadows, lip glosses like lipsticks, 2 brushes, and a mascara. So I'm gonna use this to contour. I'm gonna use a smaller brush. So a bit of bronze and contour. Okay, so skin is bronzed. And now I am going to highlight my nose and my cheekbones, and I'm gonna use, this is not from the Gigi's line, but it's the Master Strobing Stick from Maybelline as well. It's a drugstore highlighter, really good. I love cream highlighters. Also right here. Dab it with your finger. And on this kit, there is a highlighter, a powder highlighter, so I'm gonna use that. With my finger, I'm just gonna dab it on, and it's more on the pink tone. Beautiful. Okay, with that bronzing that I used on my cheeks, I'm going to contour my nose, of course. And now, with the same brush again, we're gonna apply blush. The Super Coral one here, only a little bit. So hard to get because it's so tiny, the line. Okay, so last but not least, lipstick. And this is a color Gigi 22 Austin from West Coast. It's the orange that she's wearing on the packaging, which is so beautiful. Look at this. So amazing. I'm not gonna do lip liner because it does not come with a lip liner. I'm just gonna try to line my lip. This is the finished makeup, but what I'm gonna do is put a little bit more of eyeliner. I think it's gonna look hotter. Alright, so this is my Gigi Hadid drugstore inspired makeup. Alright, so this is my Gigi Hadid inspired makeup using drugstore products. Basically most of her line with Maybelline. So I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, rate it positively. Recreate this look with me and leave me your comments down below on what you thought about it. Leave me more suggestions as well. And if you want me to recreate the East Coast version of her makeup, let me know. It's so beautiful. More of like a bold cat eye, neutrals, and a nude lip. I love this look as well. So yeah, let me know, and I will see you guys next time. Stay beautiful.